So we got a call real early this morning. Land Rover Discovery got stuck out by Dell. Yeah. Frontage Road on I-80. It's really nasty mud out there. It's really soupy and goopy, and
it's a lot of mud, but there looks like a lot of standing water too.
Right where he's at, it looks like a lot of standing water. So we'll see when we get there what it looks like, but it's always really nasty muddy out there. So enjoy the ride.
We got him pulled out, and on our way out, coming down the hill. Check. More stable in the bushes.
Oh, Dapper, you weren't supposed to get out.
It does have a spot in the bumper to pop out and in one of the folks.
Oh, they got one in the back too?
Yeah.
On the right side there. Oh. Yeah, that's what we want. Up with a soft shackle there, soft shackle there. Okay.
Get in and drive.
That's where I need my mud boots for. Yeah.
Put your boots on.
You knew from the beginning you needed mud boots. I don't know why you just didn't put them on.
I brought two, these short ones and some tall ones.
Dapper, get the back.
Backup lights are on.
Yeah, he usually yells.
On the end of the rope.
You ready, man?
Yep, thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
okay. I couldn't see you at all.
Doug's kept standing up, so I couldn't see you except for the mirrors, kind of. But it was weird because the steering, I think it's a real short ratio, and it was locked to lock.
Capper, get out of the mud.
I couldn't tell where the steering wheel was.
You were all the way past it the whole time through here. Or maybe not all of it, but I could see nothing but rim.
I was constantly going, trying to figure out where the center was.
I could see rim, and it was like this.
And it was weird.